In the dense rainforests of northern Australia and New Guinea lives a creature that looks like a bird, walks like a dinosaur, and kills like a weapon. Meet the cassowary, often called the most dangerous bird on earth. Don't let its beautiful colors fool you. With dagger-like claws and a kick stronger than most martial artists, this bird has actually taken human lives. But how and why? This is the untold story of the cassowary, a living relic from the age of dinosaurs. The cassowary is a large, flightless bird. Think of a colorful ostrich, but with a helmet on its head and sharper instincts. It can grow up to 6 feet tall and weigh over 60 kilograms, heavier than an average human. It belongs to the same family as emus and ostriches, but cassowaries are far more secretive and dangerous. Their signature feature, the casque, a helmet-like structure on their head made of keratin. Scientists believe it helps them navigate through thick jungle, underbrush, and communicate through low-frequency sounds. With jet black feathers, neon blue skin, and a crimson throat, cassowaries look like nature's artwork. But this beauty hides a deadly design. Their three-toed feet have sharp claws, with the middle one resembling a dagger up to 5 inches long. And here's the scary part, they can run up to 50 kilometers per hour through dense forest. That's not just fast, that's predator fast. Combine speed, agility, and power, and you get a bird that nature built for survival and defense. Cassowaries are not naturally aggressive, but they are highly territorial. If they feel threatened, especially during breeding season or when humans get too close, they attack. And their attack method, a swift, powerful kick that can break bones or cause deep gashes. In fact, there have been over 200 reported attacks on humans. The most famous in 1926, a 16 years old boy in Australia were killed after being kicked in the neck by a cassowary. Even today, wildlife officers handle them with riot shields and heavy protection. You might accept a killer bird to be a meat eater, but cassowaries are mostly vegetarian. They eat fruit, but their diet also includes small animals, fungi, and even dead carcasses. Cassowaries play a crucial role in their ecosystem by spreading seeds. Some plants can only grow after passing through a cassowary's digestive system. They also show signs of problem solving and intelligence, especially when finding food or navigate dense territory. What if I told you cassowaries were living dinosaurs? Genetically and physically, they are closely related to ancient velociraptor. Their feet, their movement, even their feathers suggest they are among the closest modern relatives to dinosaurs. Watching a cassowary walk is like watching evolution in action. In fact, paleontologists say birds like cassowaries are not descended from dinosaurs, they are dinosaurs, just evolved. Despite their strength and legacy, cassowaries are in danger. Their forests are being destroyed due to deforestation, farming, and tourism. In Australia, it estimated that only 4,000 remain in the wild. They are also at risk of being hit by cars or attacked by dogs. Conservationists are now working to preserve their habitats and educate people about their importance in the ecosystem. Cassowaries are more than deadly birds. They are reminder of nature's ancient history, of evolution and of the delicate balance in the world. Every time we lose an animal like the cassowary, we lose a story from the past. We lost a part of our own evolutionary journey. That's why protecting them is not just about birds. It's about respecting life's full circle. So the next time you walk through a rainforest and hear a low rumble, remember there may be crossberry watching. Beautiful, wild and deadly. Subscribe for more incredible stories from the animal kingdom. This is True Dogs Media, Nature Explained. Thank you.